Hey y'all, it's Shelly. So today let's check out this little hat heat press that VEVOR sent over to us to try out for you guys. So thanks to them for partnering with us. But this hat heat press could not be any easier. It literally just comes with a standard plug. So you plug it into the back and then just into a normal wall outlet, and you push and hold the power button for about 3 seconds and it's ready to go. It does come with everything you need. It does have an extra pressing plate for different types of hats, so just make sure you pay attention to the curvature of the pressing plate against your hat before you start your project. For this demo, I'm actually using it to add a fabric patch back to a hat that we have here. So I sprayed the back of the patch with an adhesive, then I'm going to put it down on the hat. But it's super easy to change the temperature. You can even toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius just by pushing that far left hand button for a couple seconds to toggle back and forth. It also has the next button is the timer, so you push that and adjust how many seconds you want the press to be held for. And then the up and down is for the temperature. That's how easy it is, you guys. There's no guessing with it. The instructions even tell you what temperature they recommend for different types of projects and materials. And it even has a little spring thing on the back, so when you get your hat set in place on that plate, you're just going to pop that spring and it's going to hold the back of the hat for you if you need it to do that. They have really thought of everything, but once you have everything set in place on the right plate that you need, you're going to push that middle button and it's going to automatically press down onto your hat. It's going to start counting down based on the parameters that you've already put into the hat press. And when it's done, it's going to lift right back up and you flip the top back and you can take your hat off. Very beginner friendly. I know we're going to get a lot of use out of this making our hats with different vinyl designs and sublimation because it can handle both. We absolutely love this. We love how easy it is to use. We hope you love it too, and I hope this video helps.